Tatiana Blanco channel, and y'all, I'm so excited to be doing a video, a long form video. Sometimes them short form videos, it got me in a chokehold. I was so comfortable with editing 1 to 30-second videos than to be on YouTube editing a 10-minute, an hour-long video. Oh my God. But I'm back. I need that money. And I need y'all to support your girl. Like, I miss being on YouTube. I miss doing my long-form videos. So let's just jump straight into it. Life has been lifing, okay? Life has been lifing, but a bitch is back because I need some money. But today we're going to be doing a hair maintenance, curly maintenance, and I'm going to be taking the Shea Moisture Curl Smoothie. It's like a custard. It feels like a little hard jello, I think. And then I'm just taking my spray bottle because sometimes when the hair is like really, really big, I don't be knowing. It be feeling like it's a little bit too much. I don't know. I don't know. Because I like it. It looks good. But sometimes, like, if I'm hanging out, like, that's what we doing today. I'm hanging out with my friends, and I feel like I don't want to be the one where you gotta, like, keep pushing your hair. Like, can you move over? I don't want that. So we gonna make this bitch. Oh, this wig is from OQ Hair, and y'all, I'm in love with this wig. I should be doing sections. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna start off with section. Just make sure you have your little sister from them. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. So y'all, life has been lifing, but I went to church yesterday and the word was just so freaking amazing. It was good. Y'all, church has been saving my life. I'm looking for my clip. Okay, I don't have another clip. It's cool. It just takes some water. And we want to saturate the hair. Oh my God, I hope y'all don't see my boobs. I don't even got on a bra. Come on. Alright, so this is a coconut and hibiscus. Oh my God, it smells so good. So since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas would get a wedgie, be flipped over your boxes, over your foe. And I'm just gonna rub it on the hair. Might write this for the doctrine. Tell the pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action, no accident. I'm hands on. You fuck around, get polished. Fuck no rain grow like Hughes and Hill. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. Daddy Rose came home, y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma set up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Yeah, it smells so good. How many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie. Here, 59 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to spit ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Ay, they not like us. 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 Curls is like so nice and juicy. When I mean these curls is like so nice, it just feels so good, and with the smell of that coconut and hibiscus, So like me, I like my curls like this, especially when I'm going on vacation. Like curly hair is just, it's easy, it's super easy to maintain. Alright, so the curls is exactly how I like them. Ooh.